Let me finish these 12 and then I'll see if I could do more. Because we got 40 cans left for purchase, but ooh, this is cold. If you're new here, hit the follow. I'm gonna do a raffle when I get to 20K. So the faster we get there, the better. Which I know I gotta hit 18K, then 19K, and then 20K. Yes, I added them. Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. Oh, Grandma, I literally did just right now. You follow from your cheesecake page? If you have a cheesecake page, if you have a backup page, or if you got like a billion pages, or if you're just not following, go ahead and give me that follow. Now this is definitely turning back to liquid. Bruh, I know it sounds like so dumb to argue about, but I don't care. Like, I know like they want you to go for like the bad boy in shows, but, and I feel like I used to when I was young. I don't know, but he's like, he wanted to be with her because she's nothing like Catherine. She's nothing like Catherine, and that's why he wanted to be with her. So fuck out of here, forget talking about it. Damon still wanted to be with Catherine. He didn't get fucked. Sorry, y'all. I had to go on my rant before I read the comments. Yeah, we're talking about Vampire Diaries. Thank you, Nat. Ooh, this one is so good. It's like literally Stefan could not be happy. Like, he killed their uncle. He killed Stefan's best friend. He, like, it's like all that just to be like, I bet you if he looked like Matt, y'all would not be saying that. Y'all only saying that he's good or that he should be with Elena because y'all think like he's attractive. Not if you actually, and I feel like that goes to real life too. Like when it's a guy that he did something bad on the news, but he's attractive, it'd be like, oh my god, like his mugshot, oh my god, like he could come kill me, he could come do this to me. Y'all give it a pass because he's attractive. Like, be for real, you know what I mean? And it's actually, yes, it's between the brothers, like, and I'm dead because that episode just came up where she's like, what you gonna do, give me a job at the grill? I'm dead as fuck. But she was real for that, like, Matt, like, what do you do? And yes, Caroline and Klaus should have been together, because what do you mean, like, you're like, oh, like, what I have to say, Bonnie, I had to save Bonnie. So you killed 12 people? You killed 12 people. Your best friend was helping. Yes, she was manipulated, but she's helping someone kill 12 people. And because those people realize it and they're gonna kill her, you're gonna kill all 12 of them. Be fucking for real. Like, oh hell no. Oh hell no. And then want to talk about, oh, Klaus is so terrible. Klaus is so terrible. Oh my god, I just killed 12 people, but I'm Caroline. Oh my god, but like Bonnie, bitch, you dumb as hell. No, Jeremy, how the fuck he cheat on Bonnie with a ghost? Fucking dumbass. He dumb as fuck. He is dumb as fuck. Like, first of all, you fumble her. You are dumb. That's so stupid. Like, you cheated on me with your ghost vampire girlfriend. What the fuck? Man, I need to get out this town. Bruh, that would have been the end of the line for me. I would have been like, you know what? I gotta go. Because what the fuck? Oh, yeah, nah. Oh my god, this shit. I'm like, what is she talking about? I gotta get the fuck up out of here. Yeah, they were like, we need a witch. We need to get Bonnie. We need Bonnie. Come on, we need Bonnie. But like, Bonnie, we need you. Elena's in trouble. Bonnie. But actually, when you think about it, Elena was down to die for everybody. She didn't give a fuck. Hey, Sylvia, thank you for the heart me. She literally was down. She was like, I'll kill myself to save all y'all. And everybody was trying to save her. And everybody's like, oh, Elena always needed to be saved. She didn't ask for that shit. Elena very much was like, I'll kill myself to save y'all. No, I'm not gonna let that happen. Okay, that's their choice. What the hell? She didn't say, come and save me though. She was like, okay, I'll die. Yeah, they canceled Original Sin. I'm mad. It was so good. But I know they have Dexter Resurrection. Well, there's another one that you gotta watch before that. Where is it down? There's like where Dexter... Make sure you watch it in order. You're watching Massacre. I think after we watch the Vampire Diaries, we're gonna have to watch Originals, which I don't think I ever really watched Originals. But I heard it's good. I heard Legacy is not good. I heard it's like childish. And honestly, I see what my parents are talking about, because now like me being grown, it's like I can't even get into Summer I Turned Pretty. Like, I don't want to see, or like My Life with the Walter Boys. Like, I don't want to see no little kids on my screen. I don't relate to that shit. Even though I know like the actors are like our age or whatever, or my age. But still. Like, it's too high. Yeah, too high school for me. Like, now I see what my parents talk about. I'm like, Mom, you gotta watch this show. Like, I don't want to watch that shit. Like, bro. The original event better? What? First of all, if you're shipping, well, I guess like there's nothing wrong to ship Haley and Klaus because they literally had a child together. So like, bro, go get your family back. Even though like I feel like, oh, he has such a soft spot for Caroline. How he gotta have a baby mama on her? Thank you. That is so sweet. Vampire Diaries of Rachel. I feel like mixed because like they're old. Like Klaus is old. Not old, but older. Klaus is older. Elijah's older. Like all the vampires are 100 something years old. And most of their characters are in their 20s. Which I relate to because I'm in my 20s, you know? The only people that are in high school are like a select few. Then it's like Jenna, she's older. It has like Caroline's mom. You know, like there's parental figures, Tyler's mom. And what's crazy is like Damon is supposed to be like a parental figure because like he's older. He's like 25 years old or something. And it's like, bruh. And everybody just gave it a pass when they saw he was with Caroline. Like, oh, like what are you doing with him? Like, bro.